Hi, my name's Charlotte. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nescafe Dolce Gusto machine. I've had this machine a couple of days now, so I've been able to use it and see what kind of things it can do. I've been really impressed with this machine so far. The coffees it produces, so like your lattes, your cappuccinos, they are pretty good, and like they are what they say they are, so your milk's right and the coffee's right. The black coffee ranges, so your Americanos and your espressos, they're fantastic as well. When they come out of the machine, they've got the little creamer at the top, the caramel coloured foam, which makes the coffee tasty. It's really rich, really good product, well worth it. Before I show you the machine, I'll just talk you through, when it comes, you get this little thing which is basically really easy, how to use the machine, step by step, exactly what you do, talks you through everything. It's really sort of simple, not reading loads of instructions in depth. And you also get this, which is £10 towards your first order on the official Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee pod ordering service that you can do, so that's really good. The machine comes with a selection of 4 different drinks, so you can try the different kinds. So there's an Americano, there is an espresso, a hot chocolate and a latte, so you can see which ones you want. In a minute I'm going to be making some of the drinks for you so you can see how the machine works, but first of all we'll look at the machine. It's quite sleek looking. I think one of my sort of, not issues as such, but it's the fact it's really modern. It doesn't really tie in with anything in my kitchen, but I like it. I know I've had a few comments off friends who say, oh, it looks a bit weird, but I personally don't mind that. So to the machine and how it works, there's a little power on button down here. That's it, it's on. It's all automatic, all touch screen. So you can clean the machine. How to do that is, I need to remove the bottom bit, which is the drip tray. You put a tall glass on there, and then there's 2 buttons on the top. One is cold, one is hot. So to clean it, first of all, you touch this dial, get the bars all the way up to the top, and you press the cold button. That rinses the machine and all the pipes, so any milk that's caught in there, it cleans it out for you. That's all you need to do. You don't need to scrub away, you don't need to take it apart or anything. It is quite noisy, the machine, when it's working. That is one of the other things, but again it only lasts for a few minutes, so it's not that bad. So it's cleaning now. This is a cold pipe, because this machine makes hot and cold drinks depending on what you want. You just let that run out. I'm not going to do both because, as you can see, it does take a little while. I'll just clean the cold for now. But you can repeat the process, same thing, but you press the red button on top, which is the hot. So to make the drinks, as you saw before, it's got a little drip tray, which you can remove depending on the size of your glass. It can go on the top if you've got a little glass, say if you're having an espresso. It can go lower down if you've got a smaller, like a slightly taller glass. Or I have this glass, which won't fit at all with the drip tray, so you just remove it completely. So we'll do a latte first of all. So as you can see, you get these tubs and you get, oh, sorry, just going off. So you get a milk and a coffee, which are the 2 things you need. So first of all, you take the drip tray out and you put your milk in. Now as you can see, just on the top it's got little bars here. So what you do, you place this back in, and it was 5 bars. So you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just touch it like that, and then you press the red button, which is for hot. You can hear it pierces it there. You can see the lights go down here, so you know that it's nearly done. So that would indicate maybe if your cup wasn't big enough, you was going to run out of space. It flashes, and then when all the lights go back to how you set them, that means that it's ready and you can remove the pod. So to do that, you get this little bucket, you place it in front. This is the best way I found to do it. Pull the drawer out and tip it in. And this has got like a little drip tray, so any drips go in, so you're not messing about. So then we want to add the coffee. So we pop that in, and as we can see, this has got 2 bars. So put that in, press number 2, and press the red button again. And so the 2 means it's just a little bit of coffee. And it adds that, and you can see as it's making it, it's separating the milk and the coffee, and then you've got the foam on the top, which is the latte. That's why it's a latte. And it'll flash and then go off. That means it's finished dripping and everything when it's gone off, so it makes less mess. So no, in previous ones it doesn't let you know when it's finished, and you end up with coffee and milk everywhere. So there you have it, 1 latte. So some of the other products I have, and these are because these are the ones I like, I have mochas, which is the same. You've got your milk and then you've got your coffee chocolate mix. And then you have got a chococino, which is hot chocolate really. So you've got your chocolate mix and your milk mix, and they're all pretty similar to this. I'm not going to make them all because it does take a little while. Just at the back of the machine, you can see this. This is what you put your water in. Now you put cold tap water in. The machine heats everything up. This just places on the back. And then as you press your buttons, you can either have a cold drink, so like a frappuccino, they do that range. I don't have any of those. Or you can press the red button, which makes it a hot drink. So really easy to use, really sort of simple, all touch screen. I've really enjoyed it. I really like the products it makes. I think one of the other things that initially I was a bit shocked at was the cost of these pods. When you buy them in the supermarket or you order them online, they do initially look quite expensive, but I drink a lot of coffee. I go to a lot of coffee shops and buy coffee, and I won't think twice about paying £2-3 for a cup of coffee. But actually when you compare that to the cost of these, they are good value for money if you think about it like that. I would say to anybody, get one of these machines. I think they are fantastic. It makes brilliant coffee, which essentially it should do. You get the money off, you get free capsules. I ordered it with AO. They kept in constant touch with me throughout, so I got emails. The delivery people texted me in the morning to say when it would come. It came on time. I've been emailed since, have I got any problems, do I need anything? So that side of it, the support is brilliant as well. So I would truly recommend, if you want this product, get it through AO, use their company, and the machine is fantastic. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.